This is something that Chicago participates in. It's exactly what we need to do as a city, as a country, is to take this kind of approach. Again, if you look at it holistically from, a prevention and intervention and a response perspective, then you have some hope of it at attacking it from all different directions. Quite honestly, I think a lot of these things were going on before, but they weren't coordinated. And a lot of what this does for us is it forces everyone to work together, which we'd like to anyway, but this really sort of forces that discipline and makes people come together and say, okay, how are we doing this? How can we leverage what you're doing and, get a better outcome out of it? And I've seen some really positive things come out already in the short time that I've been with Chicago Public Schools. I've built relationships that I probably wouldn't have quite so quickly if not for this kind of effort.